if you have joined some coaching, their notes, right? Or the notes that you have made, the material that you have read. One is some famous teacher that you find on that particular subject, get their notes from Warren or some photostat shops from there. Third is some website, right? Some website, just mention that topic and mention UPSC keyword on Google. Many websites will open. You can refer to that. Now, combining all these, they might have divided that topic into some subtopics. Like if it is for globalization, so they might have divided some definition, World Bank एक definition देता globalization की, some data on globalization, कितना world trade बढ़ा after 1991, some diagram, some quotation on globalization, that it is the most necessary, it's a necessary evil, and some dimensions of globalization, some effects, positives, negatives, then effects on family, youth, gender, culture, religion. Okay, and then deglobalization, that is also one topic, and then some conclusion. So through all these material, what you got to do is you make a structure of your own, like I have made this definition data, and you fill that structure using all these materials, and then you make your own notes out of it. So when your own notes are prepared from these 4 to 5 sources, so this is your ultimate value added material, and it will be different from everyone else. So these small differences will at least give you an edge of half marks from the other candidate, and half marks in 20 questions is 10 marks per paper. 4 papers 40 marks, so 40 marks में पूरी UPSC की लिस्ट पड़ी हुई है. इतना difference it can make, this small exercise.